Hey guys, so today I'm going to tackle the most disgusting thing I have ever found in my house. And it is really bad and it's really nasty, and I had no idea how to clean it or what to do with it, but I'm going to work my way through it. It is very early in the morning. I could not sleep, so I got up and I thought that I would start the day by tackling this, and you are going to be grossed out. So trigger warning, it is really, really nasty.
I have put this job off for so long, and the truth is that I need a whole new, what is this called, a fan hood or hood range, or I don't know what it's called, but I know that I need a new one. This one's very old, and it's been in here since we've moved into the house, and I've put this off and put this off, but I just had no idea it was this bad. I knew that it was bad enough that whenever I cook, I make sure I keep everything covered because I'm so scared that something's going to fall from that, and I'm paranoid about it. So I knew that I had to tackle this, and it was totally disgusting, and there was a thick layer of grease on everything. It was just really, really nasty.
So I let that soak while I cleaned the underneath side of the hood range, and I covered everything with a towel that was on bottom, and I started out with the degreaser, and I sprayed the underside with degreaser and began to scrub it with a brush. Well, I noticed that whenever I did that, I was taking off some of the paint. So after I finished with the degreaser, I did a pass with the degreaser, and then I switched to the Dawn spray. Now, while I was doing this, I did have paper towels on that little light because I had trouble getting that little light off, but I finally did end up taking it off. And I just kept spraying and scrubbing. The gray areas that were on the underneath side of the hood range were the spots where the paint had come off. And after I finished getting that as clean as I could, I started on the basket. I think I did 3 full passes with the basket, and I used the Dawn Power Wash spray, and I used baking soda to scrub it. And I just had to scrub it with a brush until I got it clean. Yeah, I didn't do that.